Yeah. Follow us on all social media platforms. Share with Love TV for your cooking, vlogging, viral gists and news.
Hey guys, let's make some tomato stew, okay? This is my already washed chicken. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my diced onions and habanero pepper. Then I add in my frozen thyme and bay leaf. And I add in my seasoning, my salt, no seasoning, and curry powder. Just add it up a little bit like this. Then allow it to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes with its own juice, okay? Turn on the stove. While the chicken is cooking, I'll go ahead and blend everything together, okay? I have my 4 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 bell peppers, habanero pepper, ginger, and 1 big onion. I'll blend everything together, okay? Alright guys, this is 10 minutes later. We're just going to stir. We are going to add more water and just cook it till they are ready, okay? Alright guys, let's check on the chicken. The chicken is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it inside the oven, allow it to toast, okay? Alright guys, time to fry the tomatoes. I'm just going to add some oil. Then allow it to heat up before I pour my onions. I'm just going to add in my diced onions. Stir for a little bit. I'm going to add my seasoning, no thyme and curry powder. I'll stir together. I'm going to add in my tomato paste. Fry. Okay, it's fried enough. Now it's time to add in our blended tomatoes mix. Stir it together. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Alright guys, let's check on our stew. The aroma is giving. I'm just going to add my baked chicken. Cover it again. I like to simmer for about a minute or two. Alright guys, let's get back on our stew. Now I'm just going to taste for salt. A little salt and a little bit of Maggi. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt and Maggi. Then I'll stir. I'll cover it and allow it to cook. Then our stew is going to be ready. Alright guys, our stew is ready. Look at it guys. It looks so good. It tastes so good and it tastes so yummy. The aroma is giving. Thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my page, my YouTube channel, I appreciate every one of you. My Facebook page followers, I appreciate every one of you. For those that are sharing, liking, watching, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for the support. May God bless every one of you. And we're going to enjoy this stew with rice and beans, guys. It was so good, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Look at the stew. It's so good. It was so yummy. It was so delicious. Okay, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. One love. Keep us together. Stay safe and stay blessed and do what makes you happy. And have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.